Hold on, man. You don't know YouTube are my place. You know, say, you got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Up till now, I can't find a boy. You know, say, boy, they look like he gonna hide under one rock. Or he gonna hide somewhere under one girl frock. Alright, I now worry myself. I have to find the boy. Oh, you mean?
Hey, girl, give me this.
Steve! What? Steve?
Yeah, boy, give a Q man in back. No.
Hey, boy, how are you?
I mean, my woman. One era, YouTube era.